Okay, first ball natin para sa mga Poseidon. Kung na nakakake. Aerobands are ready. Opening Gordon on the final team. Ethan, the German team. Para sa team. Namaras, Ligipan. Division number 4. Bababa yun. So, ang mga Mr. Fernandez. Vergado, looking for City. Toss pass, division number 10. Attack on the team. Pizza. Fantastic. The red team. Kunati. Para natin opening quarter. Division number 3-1. Lieutenant Sancho. On the middle, pass division number 3. Kunana looking for City. On the left wing. Jump off. Jump off. Kunana fake. Drive fire. For that tayo. Down. Mura pump and fire. Wala pa rin. Ay, wala pa rin. LRC. Asap position para sa Tinang Ares.
Gusto mo yung magkain live? May tutuluin kayo.
Okay, Ethan. At lilipas na division number 3. Kunanan pa rin. Mabababa sa Tinang Poseidon. And Sancho on the home. Wala. Rebound. There's a whistle and a contact. And now we're going to have a rebound. Division number 31. First person on the cell. First rebound. At rebound set lang sa Tinang Ares. Nice on the tatanggap. Mike Vergado. Division number 4. Kapag na 16. Kunanan na. Indown, number 1, pass to number 4, Nakado, 19, Sorry, number 3, Mr. Conan, first contact sa Kapito.
Lipat na. Ito, lamay.
Okay, Indown, top no, nakakulang bola. Nulo pa! Ready for the receiver. Toss it to the top row. Down to 14. Down to now. Step back. Look for receiver 10. Wait a minute. Turn up. Seconds. Money deep side on. Good for two. And there's the basket. Set it to nothing. Set it to the run. Coming from the team on our decision number 15. Sonata and Paula Mola. 16 seconds jump off. Donanan. And the lead is on the long reward. First down. First seat down. Okay, go, go. 5 minutes and 15. Here's number 4, Ricardo. Competition number 6. It was Guzman. 18 seconds, shot clock. Out to left corner. And then the rest. Over the rest.
Dito sa mga.
Dito ka lang, huwag ka lalagpas. Cheer ka lang. Go, Papa! Go, Papa!
Okay, sa ating na lang. Labas po yung dalawa. Lagay na sa tayo. Alas kayo. Pasok ko sa quarter. Papayag ito. Okay, dahil na lang. Bridge number 27. Sir, ladies and gentlemen, bridge number 1. Top nyo. Double tapping ako. 5 minutes and 22. Okay. Double quarter na kayo pumasok. Okay, lead it out. One penalty on team go. Pass to City, stop and fire. Next turn. No good. Rebound is Pasco. Pass back lane. Moving on. There's nothing more than coming over. Only second. Good for City. That's the winner. 15 on shot clock. Ang tagayon si Guzman. No good. But it feels good. Three ball. There's the winner. And one back now. On this number 3. Wow, Mr. Santos. Some personal foul penalties. Open sa akin. Sabi sa mga post nyo. Final split. Okay, sige. Next back shot. Tupunan. Single one. Bounce pass. Kicking corners. No good. And shot. Okay, all out. Maiwan sila sir. All out. Maiwan sila sir.
Nagawa yung ano yun niya.
That's it. Number 12, Kabasa. Good sign. That needs to go to the middle. Shot clock down to 15. Wait. Reverse shot. Bumabang level. Number 3. Spencer's going up. Sayang. Dami isa na rin sa Pino Aras. Kabasa ang tatanggap din sa number 12. Dribble the ball in the middle. Pass to Mr. Gonzalez. Wait. Drive. Pinoy step. Down to the middle. Yeah. First personal foul. Penalty.
Doy.
Hindi mapaghalta.
Alright, numbers. Okay, rebound. Number 6, pass, number 25. Pamadaling mo mga bola. This is number 9. Brian Luther shot good. Okay, single down. Shot clock 16 seconds. 3 minutes and 30. Basa, Apple, Big People, Quick, reverse. Passion sa Colada. 10 seconds shot clock na. I-check people na wala. They get out down. Ikaw naman yung kami. Okay, hindi na tayo sa tinawanan ng number 17. And the president is the Kawasan Prisoner Goal. But then, the play in possession. Out. I open Romero. Roll play. Drive and play. Time. Comes down. It's the goal side. Wala. Email number 9. Pino. On the middle. Attacking on the middle. That's that. Not the other. Out of down. More than two. Shot clock 18 seconds pa. Okay, let's see the round play para sa tingin sa Simon. This is number 19, Ulitanan. Runanan back to Mr. Boston at the low inside. Position, pound down, all along, Greenwood. Offensive rebound, Mr. Movement to 30 is going unattended. 7-8, baba sa lima, nabitawan, on the middle. To number 17, shot knock down to 14. Number 17, Magpayo. Abasa, nice break, fired, pull up, deep, open, 8 seconds shot clock. That's his thing again. Abasa na atake. Nawala ang front dropping violation. Ikaw po yung people sa iyon. Di ba na lang magkakamaman, gamit 5 points, gamit sa Boston. Kaya 2 points gamit sa third. Kanda na, number 3. 1 minute and 15, on the block shot of down to 13, Ganya. Amatay sa kaliwa. Pushing, ducking. This is number 17, it's in Magpire. First on up, someone keep down.
Pawis ka, puluha mo ka na bola.
Sounds right. So good. Rebound. Greenwood. Come on. Alright, now the Greenwood we're done. 1 minute and 30 sa ating clock. Sa ating opening quarter. 38. Di malalaman. Pass. Mabasa. Number 12. Zelley. Pass number 5. Roberta. One-handed floater shot in and out. Gardner on the rebound. 3-1 position. Attacking on the right side. Pass. 4 situation. Gardner. Go. 13-10. Papas. 11. 1 is the name. Hands down. Drop pass. Fire. Good for 2. 15. 55 seconds game clock. Tapulan. 53 seconds game clock. Number 25 Johnson. Screen. There's the ball in the ball tayo. It's a red ball tayo. Ano?
Asan ba niya yung nakalaya din?
Nakita niyo po ang game work. Tayo sa dito. 15-10, 5-point lead para sa Sinaran. Email.
Kita na din ka.
Pass pagkabansa.
Sasal tayo.
Kapag gamit sa Ramayel. Kapag sa ito, napakaluwang pull-up James. Awa, Western. 17-10. Amat sa pito. 33 seconds rebound. There's the one down. And over. Stop up down the road. Punana, Kate, the veteran. Disappointing. And the wisdom down. This is number 25. Marcella, first one up, 13 down. Oh, he jumps right. Good rebound. Rebound. There's 6,000 people there. North back now. 40 seconds, 20 for the buzzer. Right now, 40 seconds. 5 seconds, 1 shot, 10 seconds, shot clock. Brother, shot. Good for two. The ball is taken out. 5 seconds, 20 for the buzzer. 30 seconds. Gonzalez. And at the first quarter, scoring 17 goals. Pabasa yung mga kalaban para sa team ng Aras.
Gold 70.
First quarter pa lang.
Ito bang murot?
Are you ready to roll in? We'll hold down. Let go. Oh, you got it off. Argentina, satu maka hari ini kita sudah bawa dia dan musim berboy berbeda bukan sama sebaiknya berapa banyak Now, if you go one shot clock 9 seconds, mind the shot clock. Fires, don't be good, just let go of the rebound. I think he got it. Argentina Pasaya is number 6 of Baba Bola. 18 and 50 on the kickoff. Back to this number 1, top north Sunset. There's a whistle coming down. This is number 20. Now, we know that there's one number 3 down. Top north. Tatanggap. Shot clock down to 10. Top north is in play. Lolo pass on the team. Back to the post. There's a whistle. And I know now the referee down. This is number 15. Mr. Gana. 17 down, 15 po second. First one up. Okay, so that's the good. Back to the 19, let's see someone drive. Ready numbers. Good. Rockets running, 14. Balik ulit sa pito mo ang kalamangan. Kunanan yung Zerulay. Kunanan, nakawala ang kunanan. Nakakalaw. Gaya na ang tutaw. Kunanan. Babalik sa lima ang kalamangan. Bruce number 0, Kalipin. To number 1, Tampo. Shot clock 15 seconds. Pass pass to Rowena. Wide open. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound ulit tayo. Pass to play. Balikan sa Tito Anas. Balikan ni Luzman. Pass to Tapon. Lumipad. Kasi ulit na. Para lumino po sa'yo. Natin. Paano ibabawa ang naman. This is number 8. Panahan. Is that the right team? The team. The last. India on the circle runner. 4-3. Pass to Mr. Pinoy. Pinoy. Driving on the right. Roger. Rebound. Top to that. Crossover. Top na ulit. Gonzales ngayon. Palikita. Okay, back to the room. Each score natin 25-16. Yubol. Basket tayo mo sila. 25-16, 9-point lead. Para sa Tito Anas. 7 minutes and then on the game clock. Para sa ating first half. At pagpapapa naman, unahan ang red jersey number 3. Nagserap na para sa Tito Poseidon. Pass to Mr. Bonson. Back to Colana na atake naman. Start sa matanggap. Stop and fire. No good. Agaw sa rebound. Timo sa'yo. 16-25. Rebound ni Anas. Rebound. See the play para sa Tito Poseidon. Natasya ito. Kunanan. Yeah. Good for you. And see the basket para sa Tito Poseidon. Manipin. Natin ito ngayon. Push the ball. Manipin. Pass to Mr. Gonzales. Ball fake. Umagat sa fake. Offense corner. Another defensive kick out. Punta sa Tito Poseidon. Kunanan. Basket point. Power na yun. Kunanan na atake. Stop and fire. Broken. Rebound. Now Anas is in five. Rowena na si Paolo ng bola. Back to Tito Poseidon. All alone. Tito Poseidon. Tama pa. Kaya possession substitution. Particular. Una na. Kaya ba? Idel 6 minutes. Nothing in-lock, tap nyo. Observe play on this possession. On the Bonson. Tap nyo Sasayaw. Tap nyo nakawala. Drop pass. Pulat na. Kaya simple tayo. Outlet. 15 out. Ganya. Alright, Idel. Double play. Kabasa. Akalaan ni Maas, Mr. Bonson, bababangon, pass back to Estacio attacking on the right, pump and fires, good for you. Dahil sa depensa, this is number 1, Mr. Estacio ulit, stop, pull up, hey, look at it, Bonson, pass to Pinol, number 9, baka ulit sa ito, Pinol ang atake, look at it. Huyan sa Tito Anas. And it is the ball back to the defense. Saan ulit? Dati pa ba ng bola? Nakitawan na that over this is the 25 also stop and fires. Look at iwan ang rebound. And the first that one from Tito Poseidon. Napasa ko na ang kalaman for this is the on dito. Is there the ball to win? The ball Kabasag noon, kabasag na. 12 second shot clock. Pass, tap nyo. Tap nyo, crossover. 8 second shot clock. Tap nyo lang, wala na. Oh, wala. Rebound. Bounce on the net. Pass to Eagle. Eagle sa left. Basket. Down. And a whistle. Down, this is number 12. The Western Diamond Team honors the score of net 34-27. Mabasa tatlo. Okay, wala tayo wala. Pero ako hindi ang palit. Para sa mga palit ng Eagles. Para sa Eagles. Nakulangan shot clock natin. 14 second shot clock. Mahaba yan. 14 on the shot clock. 4 minutes and 20 Eagles. Pass number 35. Watson. Wide open. Long two. Short. Rebound. Eagles has. Alam tayo kung saan nagkalo. Ako sa playing court. Pagkano sa Eagles. Abasa. Number 10, Eason, Valentin, Papisa, Pisa! And down. Good job now, 10 seconds off now. There's the Abasa. Stop and fire it in. Good. Rebound na Eason, long two. Again. Rebound na Abasa. Dito pa sa Abasa. Nagpapala na atake. Good. Rebound number 10 na Eason. Nagawa sa pupo. And dito Eason down. Nagawa number 6. 7 seconds down. Okay na. Ulit para kay Sir. Naragaya lost in just number 17. Left corner. Pass to number 10. Naragaya lost ng play. Pakasig na lang. Wala.
29.
Subject okay. Both teams wala na tayo. Sa ating first half, 29-24. Di ba lang ang kalamangan? Sulit sa front line sa Seattle Value. Bonson. Brazil plays on the sideline. Bonson on the middle. Bonson on the screen. Rebound. Naglato. Nagmamala sa sila ng bola. There's a cover. Naglato. Ay, sa basket. Rebound. Naglato yung sila. 5 seconds. Para sa sila ng sideline. Tuloy din ang sila. 49-24. 5 point lead ka. Okay, number 27. That's it, number 25. Bonson now. Pass to number 27. And the pickup for the ball fake. Shot clock 13. Three, no good. Rebound. Wala na sila rin. Sakto. Abasa. Score. And again, the power of Utah is on his own. It's a team fully. Sansayaw. Stop and wait. Mark. Good for you. 26. Tatlo na lang. Ang kalaman. Dahil sa dinangaran sa 1 minute and 30 seconds. Dami dito. Siyempre Kabasa. Kabasa now. Pull up Dave. No good. Rebound. Sa team blue. Nag-best ka ng paso. Tupingoy. Atamin. Okay na. Cargado. Cargado sa kaliwa. Pabasag sa gitna. Shot of God. Pagdating. Pabasag. Naghahanap ng mga patay. Icon sa kahanan. Logan. Rebound number 6. 58 seconds dito. Patrick Wade. P1 naman. Patrick again. Stop it down. One of the number 4. Stop the first one down. Substitution. Anything else? Ice it out. Cover. Winston. And make us up. Oh, he was right. Wala pa rin. Parang sa team of 0 out of 2. That's a free throw line. From position 19, was position 6. Because 1, nakatake. Against the middle, 13 seconds shot clock. Ruelas, sa gitna, mabasag. Sa kaliwa, Sinagado. 8 seconds shot clock. Cross line ko, mabasag. 5 seconds, pull up, Lee. In and out. Rebound. How did it hit? Rebound. It's double now. 25 seconds on the lead up. Isa naman sa Taman. Nakababa na bola. Tunado sa play. Minus ang bola. Relieving the teammates of Mr. Taman. 30 seconds to shoot before the under. 10 seconds shot clock. Pero pag-ibla, basta. Equal 7 to shoot before the hey, no good rebound. That's down. 4 seconds to shoot before the
Bilo kuya, pinishot lang na. Bilo kuya kayo.
Michael Rueda. Yes, the benefit comes from Team Alliance. Espacio. Shot clock down to 13. Espacio wide open. Round two. Roll it again. Speed down. Team Alliance comes to the fight now. Going to over. Red for now. Okay, Basa. Itamo. Looking for the screen. Pass up the middle to Guzman. Another violation. Pass number 3. Kunanan. Kick out. Estacio. Mountain Warriors. Moving. Okay, we can get at least number 3 to Guzman. Guzman Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Mountain. Drop pass to Blanco. Drop pass to Marcela. Kick out to Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Butatan na po yung person. Wala pa rin. Rueda. Red ball na triple. Downtown natin, 40 seconds. Si Guzman. Mountain Fires. Portion. Rueda with the rebound. Kick out to Gonzalez. Mountain Fires. There's a whistle. They're not found. There's number 15. Mr. Gana. Time out na. Gordon Seconds shot clock, Tapio pa rin. Shot clock, down to 10 seconds. Whistle, double bell. Coming from division number 3 sa Panalan. And here's number 25, Mr. Maristela. Mr. Panalan, third personal bell. Mr. Maristela, second personal bell. Pass, song 3, no good. Rebound. Guzman, Peterly, shot, no good. Gana, pass to number 3, pass and play. Sakto, sakto, and release. Rebound na, there's number 6, stop na lang. Stop, pull up, play. Awal na. Okay, shot clock na rin. Gonzalez sa atake. Gonzalez sa Tapio. Tapio. Driving the basket on the middle. Pasa. Rueda. Kick out. There's a whistle. Moving down. Come to the left. Again. Isa sa red. Inhale. Good sound. Espacio ang natin. Punta naman. Mr. Maningin. Cross pass to the number 5 Rueda. And then stop and fire. Yes, sir! Let's see one more ball. Ang pinang Poseidon 30, 30. Tatlo lang po ang kalaman. Johnson. Pass to Gaya. Gaya pa rin. Gaya Green. Gaya stop and fires. Awa. No good. There's a contact. Hindi na naiwasan sa rebound center. Okay, foul tayo. Gaya ka sa likod. Automatic foul yan. Third personal foul. Third people. Sige, sa Pass is number 5 Rowena. Pass is number 25. Espacio Talasa. 3 more situation. Espacio to Baina. Baina. There's a whistle down. There's a whistle down. Substitution. Left side out. Gonzalez. His last shot for the numbers. Third try. Good. Up up. 33-32 isa na lang. Ang alamangan 5 minutes and 36 na nag-set na roll. Isa na pasa ang kawitan ng bola. Top lock down to 15. Maraming kita ang Pauli ng pwesto. Shot ng 10 seconds. Cross from position by Rowena. Attacking the basket. Over. Wala. Position by 10. Against the basket. 35-32. A 3-point lead. Mr. P. Walang Pass to number 5 Bonson. Bonson now will play. Shot knock down for 10. P will play. P will drive. P will extra pass. No good. Mama is the record. Okay, close it down. That's number 4. Kapasang pa rin ang bola. At Senta. Pasabihin ng long view. Look at right now. And start to ulit. Ang mga ulit. Yes. No great rebound. One time. Taking the ball. Back to the Ganya. Shot to close. Ganya. Ganya. 9 seconds. Takos na ngayon. Paper cutter. Estacio. Up another. No good. Is Diamond. Tawag na natin. Ano ba rin na? Drop pass. Ano ba yan? Third personal foul, 1 penalty.
Dala niya. Bakit di mo binigay sa kanya? Di mo ba binigay sa kanya?
Bibili daw.
Sabi po sa hindi ako. Kalau iba na sabi ko kaya. Sisiyo na pa. Iya saja. Saya ada dalam grup. Saya banyak tatap. Ini bersedia. Tapi mar, porta kena. Tidak. Terpisah contoh. Basa. Basa. Pag-ibig. Pass to Arizon. Shot clock 8 seconds. Strong free Louis. Rebound. El Guy Warren. 10 second shot clock. Luis Bell. On jersey number 15. Warning for Bradley. Timeout. Warning for Bradley.
Sir Baron ha? Pogi na yung pantalunan ha? Sir Baron. Baka ready na pamoy ng bagong gano'n kayo. Bilis na ano ni Sir Joseph. O sige, next week dyan to.
Pisan ko.
Wala ko na talaga.
Alam ko na yung kaya.
Wala ko na ako. Mamaya yan, Doy.
Oo, oo to. Tagal na kanyan. Kulay iya po.
At sunod ng jersey na.
Alright. We'll go back to the 15.
Ulit mo ano yung marami tala na yung
That's going to be down to the field of the time. Big passes to the bottom. There's the number 25. Still playing down pass to the Sancho. Shot clock down to 15. Bigula, wala naman. Gets the whistle down. Here's the number 6. Down right. Good. Now, two. Now, from the 32. That's good. Let's see how Anderson. 38-34. Apat na lang. Apat naman. Izon. So, Pabasa, long two. Offensive rebound. Power move. Coming from the 31. That's the next one for Peter. Better play on the line. Pasa. Business. That's the Sancho. Pump, fires, go. Napaganda pa. That's what it's good. Coming from the basket. And the whistle down. Here's number 27. And let's see the bonus try. Para hindi sa people. Bonus right. It's good. 37-13. Apat naman. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 27, being zone. Pasok yung kanan. Tawag yung number 19. Nagpapalibas. Apat. Isa na lang ang kalaman. Waiting for the
Wala pa kaya po po.
Batman. Because man. Bigyan tayo. Not play. Agawan sa buko. Estado. Babalik sa playing court. Set of play. Gonzalez going over. Rebuild. That's from Duboy. Okay. Kailangan ng Mr. Bonson. Bonson. Top right press. Parang Mr. Gonzalez. Manganan. Back to Bonson. Shot clock low. So, pass again. Manganan. Long two. George. Penalty number. Parehas. Penalty number 10. First round na penalty. Both teams penalty. Both teams. Ready, numbers. Substitution. 41-40. Isa pa rin. Akal naman. 25 seconds being up the screen. Bonson nakawala. Sa gitna. Wide open. 43-40. Ang nasa dito. Akal naman. Gusto ko nila ang atake. Science there. No good. Third result now.
Yan ba kanyo niya yan, Doy? Popogi!
Bola tayo na.
Regional 6, pasa, intercepted, Tapio, Rapas, Gonzalez, up and under, over, rebound, Kipan, looking for the receiver, ball sa talaga, pababa ka na bitawan, mabalik ng team, isa por nada na atake sa dam, break, at kapitawan in the red ball, 20 seconds, wait for the buzzer, 20 seconds, kick off. Okay, that's number 5.
Sasaltaya yung guy.
Passing sa Tapio, 10 seconds, waiting for the buzzer. Tapio, quick ISO, screen, big and hard, yes, sir, it's up, 3 seconds.
Pinigad din kasi sir.
And in the third quarter, 43 all. Set up lang tayo. Kapay.
Bigla yan, bigla.
Okay, Indians, Gonzalez. Gonzalez, Roweta, to the right open. Left is a 3, left is a 2-hitter. Here's number 3 on the side of the power media. Looking for a speedy pass. Number 6, Katakulan. With the pass Pagkalikan po ang din number 6. Major Guzman.
Yaman yung pula rin.
First on down, first week down.
Logi ano, ayan ano. Tawagis niya ba rin?
Panayaman ka siya eh.
Always right here, balik sa Palawan.
Yan ba na yan?
Salamanda lang kami.
Down right, 12-2. Right from 13, 45, 43, 2 point lead, 19-3. 95 quarter.
Kaya dinala lagi ang part.
Tapio, cross over, nawala. And a whistle down, here's the number 6. Para sa team, outside sun.
Wala po po hihingin.
First team
Gano'y
down.
magkano kayo ano? Ay, balibas. Ang algal naman.
Was right. Good. 45-46, 3-4. Sa dapat, Palawan. 9 minutes and 20 sa ating Himlock People. Sa Bonson. Bonson now. Bonson with the time. Shot clock down to 16. Estacio. Wide open. 48-46. 2-point lead. 9 minutes exactly. People ulit tayo. Napakaganapan. Rueda. Tyson. Bolivia. Estacio. Pasa kay Kimul. Kimul nagmamadali. Kimul dapat sa Bonson. Number 2. Sa Abad Palawan. 54-6. Para sa team. Nakasayan. Passage number 8, Gonzalez. Pop. Stolen naman. Bonson. With a fast breakaway. Pop. Nakagawan wala. Tuloy na Rodriguez. Long view. Wala. Ayan. Ay, mga to. Okay. Wala na tayo. Team Orange. 54-6. Para sa team Gonzalez.
Ano lang tututungan ko itong speed?
Eight minutes and 20, Tapio. Now, shot block down. To the speed. Ah, and that! He goes smart! What a move and what a play! Coming from the Bayman. Here's number 6, Gatamutan. Captain of the People. He wants to the ball. 8 minutes exactly. 40 on the shot clock. Bonson sa gitna. Gatamutan. 100. No! Pag-isa ng red ball now. At ang mga referee. Again. Here's the one. To Gonzalez. Gonzalez attack the Tapio. Tapio dribble the ball. Shot clock. 16 seconds. Tapio lang ng butas. Out. Come on. Pass again. Right open. Sa ating Himlock. At shot clock natin 15. Laging magandang laban. Bonson babawi ng press. Masyado malakas. Nulungin niya ang team. In the basket play. Sakto. There's down. 3 more down. 1 point lead. 1 point lead. Substitution number 1. Sa Ruleta magbababag sa isang ng dalawang kalamakan sa first division. Dahil jersey number 9, Mr. People.
Kapag yung apat ay may panamdaman ng tao.
Sa personal ground sa Miguel. 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Maglolo
Yan.
kawawa ka.
Kung sinasama ng
Maday,
na.
makabait na
Sinasama tapos papaya ang atake. First division.
Oh, hello po. Oh, naka-live tamo, PPL Sports na. Forbes na po yung tinimbak. Mantong kaya kay. Base of the day.
Ikaw.
Ayun na yun, kaya.
Oh, mga.
Nasa cellphone.
Balik sa lima ang kalaman. Para sa Team Aras. Let's see, paano? Babawiin ang Team Poseidon.
Ilan to? Kaya mo sir, 5. Para maluto lang.
Kailangan niya yung jersey number 1 Monson. Dito mo, mas tataunan ng dalawang index, hindi mo lang atake. Pag-rin yung ito, nawa tayo ang mga sa jersey number 0. It's German team. First one comes from Miguel. First basket good. Three numbers.
Kailangan nila pa rin blue. Sige lang mo niya ang tingin maluto. Ngayon na pa kasi nilaban doon.
Sir, reklaro mo.
Soldier. Awas good. Pababa sa tatlo. 55, 52. 6 minutes to 10. Sa ating final quarter na nakakahalaban. Sabi nyo, kita na ng bola. Para kay Guanzon. Sabi na ng crossover na wala naman. Rampas again! Sa board. Goal dalawa kayo. Miguel, Sina, Alares. Drive to the basket. Loader, shot is good. Ball from the Zeruela. Okay, Miguel. Tingnan po sa ilan. Balik ulit sa iba ni Ganya. Ganya now. Ang atake.
Tapos malas.
And Belgium number 1 in the champion. Some personal down, maybe down.
Bibigyan sa akin.
Oh, so great. Keep down. Here's number 1 champion friend. Fighting Suzuki. Tapno, 1 again, Lidia, shot clock 14. Long shot for the 3. Oh my God, that's the rebound. That's out the middle. And 4 minutes and 46 seconds kickoff. Number 1 na Tapno. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Indian. Cross pass to Rowena. Rowena. Wide open. 10 seconds shot clock. Right. Roger shot. Roger. Nakaulan ni Rowena. Ginawin shot. Touchdown. 61-55. At sa amin, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's start na. Estado sa gitna. Intercepted. Maligpit at mamadali. Kick out. Stop it, partners. Good. Rebound. Against the ball. Bala ulit. Hindi ng Poseidon. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. That's with Estacio. Estacio tumutubo. Estacio aatake. No way. Hindi 1-3. And it's a single bell. Ideal. That's it. Ganya to Enriquez. Enriquez aatake. There's a offensive foul. Out of position number 36, someone personal foul. 13 foul. 30 personal foul, 13 foul. Pass to Ruben. Ruben nakakatake. Ruben. Number 2. Ideal. Pass to Ganya. Ganya for the main master. Ganya nakakatake. Inya to Estacio. Estacio with the basket. With the selection to babalik sa anin. Maligpit. Tapos bago ang bola. Gonzalez, moment late, big pass, Maligpit. On the left lane, good for Zivic. Pagdating na shot now. 11 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez, beat now, 8 seconds. Rowena, step back. Long kick. Yes, sir. Rowena. Grabe man time out. Wala na rin time out. Bubble shot back on there now. To the B. First shot. Rebound number 5. Rowena to the bottom of the net. Dominating shot back position 40. Reduce the lead over now. Foul number 51. Marking for penalty. First place on the now. Marking for penalty. At the one. Pass to number 1. 2 minutes and 14. 10 seconds shot clock. With the top shot. Crossover. 7 seconds. Top shot. Step back. Long two. Short. Rebound. Keep it on. Whatever I got on. Bago rin naman. Last shot to Estacio. No good. Rebound to the left. Come on. On the team. Papatay ulit the shot clock. 20 seconds shot clock. Yes now. It's on. Back. Simple now. Moving to goal. 18 on the shot clock. Simple now. Outside now. Outside now. Outside down door. Outside down door. 18 on the shot clock. No post to give up blue. Down to the 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Pasa. Defense. 6 seconds shot clock. That's not Bitawan. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. 27 up.
Ilang lamang siyan?
Ideal tayo. Ideal. Pass to position number 6. It was one. 11 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Tapno. 8 seconds to shoot. Tapno in. 5 seconds shot clock. Ramp pass. Aatake. Rowena. Long shot. Yes, sir! Grabe naman. Ang kamay ni Sir Rowena. 1 in the lead sa Legion. Inbound na lang sa 1-7. Okay, Bonsa. Keeping out to Branya. Branya nandiyan sa green. Yes, sir! Yes, kasi inbound na rin tayo. Shut down. 1 minute na kapayan. Stop na lang tayo. Tapos. Okay, Isabel Lanyan. Tapos na kawala. And is basket. Ay, 1 seconds to go. That's good for play. After the Bronson, bounce back to Pino, and Pino long range, no good. Ivan Green, 41 seconds to go. 40 seconds to go. Left block, switch to Pino. Sa Pino, let's touch off. Good by Pino. 33 seconds to go.
Kumpiyansa ko eh.
That's good for the play. 30 seconds to go. Shot clock. Rowena ulit. Long three. Yes, sir! Tuloy na tuloy. Napunta na. 15 seconds to go.